Hey guys, Knives Incorporated, doing a review on my 22 long rifle, the Savage Mark II-F, just the basic one. Didn't come with the scope or the scope mounts, I put them on there myself. It's like a Simmons scope, 4x32, 8-point. It's a pretty nice scope. It looks bad on the camera, but I mean, that's an obvious. This is my bolt action 22. Right now I use Remington brass plate hollow points. Gun has a 10-round mag. That's what the bullet looks like. It's got a little hollow point. It's kind of a joke. But yeah. Box comes with 500 of them. Anyways, it's not a review on the box. It's on safe. And for all you people out there who think that it's loaded, look inside. It's not loaded. Matter of fact, I'll even take the bolt out. Okay, bolt's out. Gun won't even work. Pretty interesting bolt. Anyways, gun was about 160. It's a real nice 22. It's fun to plink with. It's always good to have a bolt action 22 also. I zeroed in the scope, so it's just nice. It has a front sight and a middle front sight near the hand grip, which the hand grips are checkered. Oh, sorry, I dropped it. There's also one on the handle. Stock is rubber in the back, or the very back's rubber, and it shows the little Native American. It says Savage. I know you can't see it very well, but that's what it says. Oh my gosh. Okay. There we go. Gun weighs about 5 to 6 pounds. Kind of light. I'd say it's about a little bit over a meter. Maybe exactly a meter. I don't know. Feels like a little bit over a meter. The scope was like 30-something bucks. The most expensive thing on the gun is probably the scope mounts, because you know how hard it is to find scope mounts. So yeah, that's about it. I really recommend it for first time 22s. The next gun I'm getting is probably going to be the Walther PPK or a Brett M9. Oh yeah, before it also has the Accu trigger, and just so you know, there's no bolt in it, no bullet. So, oh my gosh. Okay, so there's no bolt or bullet, so nothing's gonna shoot. But the Accu trigger, it has that, and then the pull back. It's an interesting little feature. I like it. That's about it. Thanks for watching.